Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine. Plug in AC power and confirm battery above 20%, and suspend BitLocker or decrypt the drive so keys aren't lost. Next, shut down and press the Lenovo Novo button or repeatedly tap F1 or F2 at boot to open BIOS/UEFI. Once the firmware utility appears, navigate with the keyboard. The goal is to find security or boot options. Make sure you note the existing settings so you can revert if necessary. Once inside, move to the Security or Authentication tab to locate Secure Boot. If the Secure Boot toggle is grayed out, set a supervisor or admin password in the BIOS first. This unlocks advanced controls. After the password is set, return to Secure Boot and select Disabled. If your task requires Legacy Boot, change boot mode from UEFI to Legacy. Note this affects OS compatibility and may require reinstalling or repairing the OS bootloader. Save changes, but don't exit yet. Now save and exit, typically F10, and allow the system to reboot. Once done, verify the operating system boots normally and watch for BitLocker recovery screens. If prompted, enter the recovery key you saved earlier. Make sure to re-enable any security protections you intentionally disabled if they're still needed. If the system fails to boot, return to BIOS and re-enable Secure Boot or use the Novo menu to restore factory defaults. As a last resort, clear CMOS, following the Lenovo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.